So first of all, I'm going to add some water to the jar. This is just to wet the indigo out. I'm going to use the end of my spoon to stir it. You can, there's lots of different ways to do this, but this is the way I'm going to do it. Always add powders to liquids. So I'm going to add that in. All of the ingredients for this DIY kit are measured out, so you don't have to worry about the measurements. Make sure you get all that indigo in. Okay, then I'm going to give it a stir to wet it out. Keep stirring it. Here we go. Make sure all of it has been taken up by the water. Here we go. Right, I'm going to add a bit more water. Okay, next I'm going to add the fructose. Here we go. Where's my fructose? That's the fructose. So we've got 1 part indigo, 2 parts slack lime and 3 parts fructose. All this is laid out in the instruction booklet. So I'm next going to add the fructose gently. Okay, and then I'm going to stir this so it's fully dissolved in. Okay. Okay, next we're going to add in the slacked lime. So these two dissolve quite well together. Slacked lime, I advise you wear a mask like this, or fabric mask, whatever's easiest for you. I'm going to grab a bit more water. Have that on the side. Okay, so now we're going to add the lime. It's the base. You don't have to add it all at once. Add it slowly because it can get a bit claggy and a bit dusty coming off. Okay, so we're going to fully get that all in. Now, it's going to feel a bit lumpy at the bottom. Just keep stirring. Give it a good stir for about 60 seconds. It's all fully mixed together. Okay, we can take that off now. All the dust off the slack lime has gone as it's become liquid. So I'm going to top this up a bit more. Okay, so this stock solution, we've got indigo, fructose and slack lime in it. The slack lime acts as the base, the indigo and then the fructose, which allows the indigo to dissolve and become soluble in this alkaline solution. Remember, indigo is not soluble in water, so we must create an alkaline solution to then be able to do our natural dyeing.